Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can have multiple accounts on Brawl Stars. So the first step, you need to click on three bars on the top right and click on Supercell ID, and here you need to click on new to Supercell ID, register now. Click on continue, add your email. So let me enter my email address. I'm going to use this one. Re-enter again, click on register. A verification code has sent to your email, so you need to go back to your email. So let me go and have this in my Gmail. Okay, let me open. Okay, so this is, and I need to copy that. So let me copy this. Okay, go back and add here, click on submit, and now it is creating my account. So you need to wait. Okay, now you can see that I have an account with this name. Click on continue. So I want this avatar. Click on continue again. Okay, so now you can see that my ID is ready. So you need to click here, and here you can see an option to switch account if you have multiple. So how you can create another account? So you simply need to log out and repeat the same process that I do, so that you have a new account. Make sure you have another email. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.